the only lady in the battleground. Let's give it up for B-Girl Liz versus his very own blood biological brother. Let's give it up for Constant. Ikaw boy, spin the bottle. Big shout out to our bottle spinner, Nico Avocado. B-Girl Liz goes first. DJ Reno, drop it. No time limit, no touching. Show some love right now, baby. Liz, Constant, let's see who's gonna go on the next round. Judge decision. 3, 2, and